Are you tired of the endless notifications, social media distractions, and constant screen time? Sometimes simplicity is the ultimate luxury. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best dumb phones for 2025, perfect for staying connected without the digital overload. These phones focus on essentials like calls, texts, and unbeatable battery life while offering a break from the smartphone frenzy. As always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. Cat S22 Flip. The Cat S22 Flip is a robust, rugged phone designed with durability in mind, ideal for those who work in tough environments or prefer a no-nonsense mobile experience. Featuring a 2.8-inch TFT LCD display with a resolution of 480/640 pixels, it is built to withstand harsh conditions. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, offering scratch resistance. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 215 chipset, paired with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. You can expand the storage further with a micro SD card, which is essential for storing more media or apps. The Cat S22 Flip runs on Android 11 Go Edition, which optimizes performance for entry-level devices. In terms of photography, it comes with a 5MP rear camera and a 2MP front camera, which is sufficient for quick snaps and video calls. The phone supports basic connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, and FM radio. One of its standout features is its 2000 mAh battery, which delivers up to 12 hours of talk time and 312 hours of standby time. Whether you're on the job site or in the great outdoors, the Cat S22 Flip is designed to endure, meeting IP68 standards for water and dust resistance and MLSTD 8.H military standards for drop protection. This means it can survive falls, extreme temperatures, and exposure to dust or water, making it an excellent choice for adventurers or those who work in tough conditions. The price for the Cat S22 Flip is approximately $67. Number 4. Punkt MP02. The Punkt MP02 is a minimalist mobile phone that caters to those looking to disconnect from the digital world and focus on simple communication. With a small 2-inch screen and a resolution of 320x240 pixels, this phone offers only the most essential features, including calling and texting, while leaving behind the distractions of social media and apps. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 210 processor and featuring 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, the Punkt MP02 is a reliable, straightforward mobile phone. It operates on Android 8.1, which has been optimized for a stripped-down, basic user interface. One of the key selling points of the MP02 is its long battery life, with a 1900 mAh battery that can last up to 7 hours of talk time. It supports 4G LTE connectivity, ensuring fast data speeds when you need them. The phone's Bluetooth functionality allows for wireless audio devices or other Bluetooth-enabled gadgets to be connected. With its premium, minimalist design, the Punkt MP02 is ideal for those seeking a break from smartphones without sacrificing the ability to make essential calls and texts. The MP02's focus on simplicity extends to its user experience, which is uncluttered and intuitive. Available at around $379, the Punkt MP02 offers a refined, no-frills approach to mobile communication. Number 3. Barbie Flip Phone. The Barbie Flip Phone is a fun, child-friendly feature phone designed to offer a simple and secure mobile experience for young users. Its compact flip design is easy for small hands to use and includes a small, colorful display with basic text and call functionality. The phone is designed to be durable, with a sturdy build that can withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. It offers essential features like calling and texting, which can be easily accessed by children. One of the most important aspects of the Barbie Flip phone is its safety features. It includes parental control settings, allowing parents to limit calls, texts, and other features to ensure their child's safety. Additionally, the device supports 2G connectivity, which is suitable for basic communication but may lack the advanced features of modern smartphones. The Barbie Flip phone is a great option for introducing children to mobile phones in a controlled way, without overwhelming them with apps or the internet. Priced at approximately $50, it is an affordable option for parents seeking a simple and safe mobile phone for their children. Number 2. Nokia 3210. The Nokia 3210 is one of the most iconic mobile phones of the late 1990s, known for its simplicity, durability, and long battery life. Its small monochrome display, 48/84 pixels, was perfect for text messaging and calls, and its distinctive, removable plastic covers made it one of the most customizable phones of its time. The Nokia 3210 was powered by a simple processor and featured 4 MB of internal storage, which was more than enough for its basic functionality. The device supported SMS messaging, which was a revolutionary feature at the time. Its long battery life was one of its standout features, with the 900 mAh removable battery offering up to 260 hours of standby time and hours of talk time. Although its specifications seem modest by today's standards, the Nokia 3210 was beloved for its reliability and ease of use. It was a game-changer in the mobile world and is still remembered fondly by those who used it. The phone is still available in some markets for around $30, making it an affordable piece of mobile history for collectors or those looking for a simple phone. Number 1. Lightphone 3. The Lightphone 3 is the epitome of minimalist design, aimed at those who want to escape the overwhelming distractions of modern smartphones. This phone features a 2.84-inch e-ink display with a resolution of 300x240 pixels, providing a sleek, glare-free viewing experience. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, the Lightphone 3 comes with 8 GB of internal storage, which is plenty for its streamlined functionality. What makes the Lightphone 3 stand out is its operating system, which is custom designed to offer only essential functions like calling, texting, and alarms. There are no apps, social media, or internet browsing, allowing you to truly disconnect. It supports 4G LTE connectivity and includes Bluetooth, making it compatible with wireless headphones and other devices. The phone is powered by a 500 mAh battery, which provides up to 7 days of standby time, making it an excellent option for those who want a break from constant notifications and digital noise. The Lightphone 3's minimalist approach to mobile communication has made it popular among those looking to simplify their lives and focus on what matters. Priced at around $299, it offers a refreshing alternative to the distraction-heavy smartphones of today.